Hi, this is Jonathan Hills from the Buddhism Hotline, and today I have a very special tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to flood your apartment and get evicted. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is go to the store and buy a large pool. Then you're going to put it into your upscale 10-story apartment on the 10th story. You're going to fill it up with water, and then you're going to do a live stream on your YouTube showing people how to swim. And then you're going to stab it with a butter knife repeatedly until there's a hole, and then you're gonna let it fill up the apartment, and then it's gonna flood the apartment. And then your landlord is going to evict you. So right here, I'm gonna show you the footage of me doing this tutorial for you guys to show you how to flood your apartment so you don't have to do it. So here's the video right here. So please enjoy the video, and Buddha bless.
They can type whatever they want to type to make me say whatever they want me to do.
Warning, tsunami, warning, tsunami, warning, tsunami.
Wait. Tsunami. Where? No, there's gonna be a tsunami. Wait. It's a tsunami. It's a role play, we have to do it. It's a role play. It's okay.
Jonathan, there's a hole in the pool. Plug it with some scissors.
Okay, I'll get some scissors. Some scissors. Hold on. Uh-oh, I actually just made a hole. Uh-oh, this is not good. I actually just made a hole.
I'm mad all over you, sex master John.
Guys, I actually just made a hole. I'm not kidding.
Well, you better fix it because there's gonna be overwater.
Buddha, solo Buddha. We need to fix the water. There's a hole. Wait. There's a hole.
What?
Seriously.
Well, get some tape.
What do I do?
Okay, go get some tape and then tape it up.
Okay, that's a good idea. Hold on. I'll set this here in the meantime to hold it down.
Okay, seriously though, go get some because I don't want that to get all over the studio.
Okay. I'm scared, Wayne. Wayne, I'm scared. What do I do? Stop with the jokes, guys. Stop with the jokes. Seriously. I'm in trouble right now. I'm in trouble because of you guys. One of you idiots made me do this. One of you idiots made me... Stop. This is not funny. I have to hold this. Guys, this is not a joke. We're on the verge of sinking the Buddhism Hotline headquarters. We're gonna flood the Buddhism Hotline headquarters right now.
Here's
Stop.
a challenge for you, John.
What?
Stick your head under the water and don't get hurt in the bed.
Look behind you.
What?
Water.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Stop! Wayne, I need a brilliant idea right now to fix my... We're in trouble.
What do you... Go get tape.
Tape isn't gonna work, it's wet. And I'm not using flex tape. There's no way in Buddha I'm gonna use flex
Go
tape.
get glue.
Glue?
Glue, yes.
How is that gonna work? I have an idea.
It's gonna close the hole.
Shoot.
I don't think that's gonna work.
Hold on.